What is that human doing? I don't know, but I don't like it. This is our beach. Um, do 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 do. Nothing said for a while. It's not really our beach, Frank. We're outside right now. Everywhere we go is outside. If this isn't ours, then what is? Nothing. We're geese. We don't own things. I want to peck his shin so bad. What's that? Obviously, it's Mufasa watching over an army of cormorants. Now get in the water before you get kicked in the rump. Fine, I'll get in. Oh, it looks cold. Oh my, that is chilly on my rump. It's not so bad once you get used to it. Really? Okay, fine. Oh, chilly on my willy. Oh dear, now I'm awake. This isn't over.